Hey guys, I am Khwaish, a US immigration expert. Today we will discuss about the types of businesses that are eligible for an L1A visa. Most of the people think that L1 visa is only for multinational companies having a huge revenue and is specifically for IT companies. That is not true. Any kind of business is eligible for an L1A visa. Some common examples are if you are having a jewelry shop, real estate business, non-IT company, import-export business, or a restaurant, hotel, or your banquet hall. Any type of business is eligible for an L1A visa. And the good news is that you do not need a huge revenue. If you are having a revenue of around 4 to 6 years INR annually, that is also eligible for an L1A visa. 2 to 3 years is the minimum operations that your company must be registered and running. 5 to 7 employees are mandatory. So if you qualify these 2 to 3 criteria, then you can also qualify for an L1A visa. You can get this visa in a minimum of as soon as possible of 15 days as well through premium processing. So you do not need to invest huge amount of money. This is not an investment visa. This is an intra-company transfer visa. You do not need to invest any amount upfront before getting the visa. You just need to bear the legal services and you will need to lease a separate office in the US. That cost you will need to bear. The rest amount you will need to transfer in your US bank account only. You need to show that yes, US company has the funds to operate. In case the visa gets refused or rejected, the amount will remain with you only. You do not need to invest upfront. You will only need to bear the legal cost. Now, how we can help you? We do a full setup of process which includes company setup, then business plan, and then the full filing. Company setup includes the EIN filing and then the full physical office setup, then stock certificate, legal certificate, and the most important thing, intra-company relationship, that yes, the Indian company and US company are interlinked to each other. This is the most important aspect. You can include your family, your children and your wife along with the L1A visa, and you can apply for EB1C category green card after 1 to 2 years of successful operations. You can get a green card in a very less investment amount if we compare it to any other category like EB5. We are the only company in India dealing in only and only US immigration. We do not deal in any other country. We are solely responsible for preparing the petitions. We are tied with more than 500 plus attorneys in the US as well. You can visit our Indian office. You can find the address in the caption. You can visit our US office. We are a team of around 50 plus members in India and US. For more information, you can visit our website www.usareaimmigrationservices.com or usl1avisa.com. We are tied with the top 10 immigration consultants in India. Thank you.